unboxing special edition Blues Fest. I'm going to a festival party edition video, and I've had these shoes for 2 years, 3 years now that I have needed to make this video. I've just been not making videos. Mental health been off. Yeah, it'll probably be in another video where I talk about that. I touch on it a little bit, and then maybe I'll make a full video on the full spectrum of all of it, to actually explain it all, to break it down, to go into detail for you guys. But yeah, we got these shoes, Jordans, Jordan 1. I haven't unboxed, haven't done a shoe unboxing in years. So excited for another one. So we got a shoe video that I've been needing to shoot for so long. Boom. Open it up, and these were ones that I wanted for a while, and I'm just noticing, what the heck? I have to put the laces in myself? What the? That's kind of good, because I guess it means no one wore this shoe, but still, what? I've never seen where you have to put the shoelaces in yourself, where it came from the factory like that. That's kind of sus. That's weird. It started at the bottom, and that's it. You have to do the... What? Who unlaced this, bruh? What? And it even is dirty on the bottom, so someone did wear these. Someone did wear these. They're scuffed on the bottom. There's like scuffs all over the bottom. But I love... Okay, let's just go into the details. I love the translucent color. It's got some suede on it, which isn't that smart. Ooh, it's actually suede. Oh my god, that's actually not smart. That's gonna get dirty so quick, especially I'm wearing it to a festival. But it's lavender, goes with my outfit. Black with the lavender. Very nice. It goes together very well. And they were on sale, I think. Regular $160. That's what the sticker says right there. Well, I gotta put the shoelaces on before I actually do the try-on part section of the video. This one has the shoelaces in. They don't even look laced up proper. Are these laced up wrong? No. These are fine. It's laced up... No, because it's supposed to go on the inside first. Not that... Maybe I'm tripping. I don't know, man. But I love it. Sick colorway. And the translucent, this is what really tied me over. I don't think it's actually lavender. I think it's like lilac or something. But it's like the gum, the colorway is like translucent-y. So fire. And let's try on the size 10. Boom. Fits perfect. Snug. I have like some other ones that I got that are size like 11 or size, yeah, like size 11, and they're way too big, but they're only size that I could get when I was working at Nike, and they were on sale. But they're just not that crazy of a shoe, not that great. They're just like kind of like a plain flat, like not really that comfy shoe, just like kind of stylish, I guess. It like kind of fell off. I kind of fell off the sneaker wave. It was kind of a COVID thing for everyone, I guess. But then, ooh, that's actually a fire embroidery on the back right there. And I don't really mess with Jordan like at all, so it's more just for the style. They just have nice designs, so that's why I like it. Yeah. Preview and try on time. There's even, I see there was like a liquid, like it looked like there was like a liquid splash on, there's splash on the side. Someone actually like wore these out to like, on like a rainy day, bro. Like what happened? And like spit all over them. Okay, well, now I gotta do lace, and then I'm gonna spray them with some protector, and then go out tonight to a festival. So I'll do the preview then. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. I'm gonna be doing all kind of lifestyle stuff. That's what I do. See, it's pretty big. Oh, it's a warning.